In the northern reaches of India lies Kumaon. A vertical fortress of ice and stone where the raw forces of nature reign supreme. In the shadow of these sacred, ancient peaks, a fragile ecosystem thrives in secrecy. From the iridescent flash of the Himalayan monal pheasant in the rhododendron canopy, to the silent, ghostly stalk of the apex predator through the rocky crags. Every creature here is a master of survival, carved by the harsh demands of the mountain. Yet this unforgiving wilderness shares a delicate, ancient harmony with the indigenous people who have revered these summits as gods for millennia. As the pristine night sky explodes into a blanket of 1,000,000 stars over the dark silhouettes of the ridges, Kumaon stands unconquered and untamed, a powerful, timeless reminder of a world left completely wild.